name is Anne, Vine Cakes Port Harcourt. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how I transport my cakes outside to my clients who are not residents in my location. This is going to very far. This is going to be delivered with via chopper. It's going to be flying to the. We're going to board it on the plane to be delivered to this particular client. So I need to do a proper packaging that will be accepted by them. Okay, so I have discovered that I can actually deliver with this plastic containers. So all I need to do is to know the height of my cake and then the accessories that are going to be on top. That will determine the total height of the cake, and that will also help me to know the height of a bowl or a plastic bowl that can be used. So if this is perfect for what I have, all I do is I open it up. Okay, make sure the size is the same with the board. Okay, so if you're doing this, ensure that you're not using a very spacious board for your cake. Something portable that can fit in with. So this is perfect and sitting well. So all I'll do is to cover it upside down. Okay, the cover is down, forming the base while the bowl is up. And as you can see, it is firmly locked. So this is good to go. Thank you. Hope you have learned something. It's properly fitted, okay? And just to ensure that it is firmly sealed, I'm going to use a maxi tape to seal up the edges of my cover. I'm transporting this, I'm not going with it, so I need to be sure it is firmly sealed, okay? I'm doing this all over again, just to be double sure, right?